I have a turkey breast I marinated in teriyaki sauce. Actually, this isn't a turkey. Thought I was doing some turkey. Flatten it out. It's definitely teriyaki. Alright, I gotta wash my hands. I know it's up on my YouTube channel. I'm going to have to call this mystery meat. That's exactly what this is. I think when I eat it, I'll know what it is. But we're going to label it cooking mystery meat teriyaki. All right, onto the fire. Wait for it. All right, it's no longer mystery meat. It is definitely pork. Pork, when you cook it, has a certain smell, and when I cook, it's been more than 5 minutes. What I want to do is plate it up, drain it, and flip it. So wait for it. All right, I flipped it, I cleaned my pan, and then I noticed a little juice in the bottom, so we put another plate on top. Drain that. This should slide perfectly. Yes. Perfectly. And I only need 2 minutes on the other side. Wait for it. Alright, a little more than 5 minutes on one side. You'll see the browning. 2 minutes on the other. We're going to do a quick drain. Alright, wait for it. Alright, I flipped it. 2 minutes. Look at the browning. Once that moisture disappears, you definitely get the brownie coming right out. And into our saving bowl. Ow, it's hot. Be careful. And there you go. That's my dinner. Didn't know it was pork. Thought it was turkey. It was frozen. What do I know? Pork teriyaki. Yummy. Definitely well cooked. There's no pinkness. Actually, it is a little pink. But I will let it sit in here until it cools down, and it'll finish cooking and it'll be perfectly moist. Love it.